Alright, today I'm going to change the mount underneath here for the engine. Here is the other one. I painted it, but one thing I forgot to mention is that it does have a sort of lacquer, so not everything came off, which was good, so I just repainted the rest and left it to dry. So now that everything is on stands, I got the jack under here just to hold that. I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. So let me see if I can find a good spot for you guys here. I think I got one here. Right there. Okay, that catches everything. So I got B right there. That's the best spot out of the way, so I hope it does come out okay. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts to take out. Now I just gotta figure out what sizes are. Okay, this might be a 17. That's a 17. That one's a 17. And these are, let's see, what is this? Too big. So this is 14. Those are 14. So 17 and 14 it is. Alright, let's give it the beans to take them out. And of course I'm using the impact because this thing is uncomfortable in here. So it makes a quick work of these that way. I'm not struggling with anything. I think it took me longer to get everything set up than to actually change the part. But that's okay. Let's keep going here. Might need an extension here. Nah, we're good. We're good. Okay, one. Okay, I did see that move a little bit. Let's see here. These are the same size. Yep. Okay, that moved. So let's give it a So, as you saw, the engine did move back a little bit. So these are the same, and that's okay. Go ahead and take everything out here. Actually, I think it's just easier if I take this one out and take this two out. There we go. As simple as it can be. So, let me, that's the bolt on the this side here. And this one, the threads don't go all the way down. They're similar, but they don't. So here's this part. We're gonna set it down. That bushing is pretty good, so no need to change that. Let's see on the parts. Yep, this rubber piece on this back here, it's all missing. This one has rubber on the back and the front, so it's more solid. This one only has two there. I got the opposite side here, but still, good deal. Yeah, this one has more rubber on around it than this one. Could be an OEM part, but there's a lot of play in it, so that's why it's getting changed So you can see I can move it with my hand almost. Okay. Yeah, just don't forget how you brought it back out, because you can probably put it in the wrong way too. Alright, this goes that way because that's where the bolt tightens. And swipe that a little bit. And we're golden. So again, we're using the one with all the threads in there. And make sure you put it in the right spot. Alright, let me lay down completely so I can see where I'm going here. So this hole right there. Center the hole. There we go. Okay, let's put a couple threads in. Make sure it goes in so we don't over thread anything. Alright, that looks good. Put this baby back. Again, not threads all the way. So always make sure you check things when you take them out. So I'll do a couple. Last night I was putting the rear links and I crushed my little pinky, so it kind of hurts still. Where are your threads? Oh, come on, Mr. Threads. Is this thing ain't going through? It is. Those threads are kind of wacky. So let's give it a whirl. Well, actually, before I do that, let me take this off. Check the threads. Actually, this is good. I should go get the W40 though. I'll be right back. Alright, let's get some W40 on this puppy here. Let's see. Alright, that kind of stops there. Makes you wonder. Is that gonna work? Well, only one way to find out. Let's take it slow. See if we got some. Wrong one. Okay. Let's see. Okay, those threads are not working too much. good. I think we're I don't know, that stops there, but great. Well, we'll use the impact a little stronger later, but let me go ahead and just get it on there for now. So that's what happens when you get aftermarket parts. You do get some things that may not fit quite the way they're supposed to. Anyway, so here is that. As you can see, my holes don't match, so we're gonna grab this and pull it. And that's why I'm wearing my gloves, because I did smash my pinky yesterday and don't feel like doing that on any other finger today. So I'm just pulling the whole engine forward, but I need to take the glove off because I can't get to that bolt. Kind of hard to put a bolt in. The gloves on. All right, buddy, get in there. There we go. Gotcha. Okay. One more. Okay. All right. Come on. So I am on number 1 for these here. Oh, wrong way. Ah, come on. Don't want to go crazy. It's aluminum. Now I'm gonna go crazy on those two. Okay, not too crazy. We'll just do fucking tight for the torque, since somebody's about to ask, I'm sure. Number 2, don't need to go. Don't need to go crazy on that either. Okay, that's done. That's good. Now let's see if this one goes. Okay, let's go number 3, because that's not going through. Finally went through, but man, those threads are not cool. I think it's done. Let's get 2. Alright, we're gonna leave it alone. That's not going anywhere. Threads are good. Just this part. That's not good. Or great. It's all in there though. That's not going anywhere. So we give it a little more here. Number 2. Just a tiny bit. shorter. And those are good. That's as far as we want to go there. Okay. And if it falls out, we'll find out. Well, pretty short video on that. I don't know how well you could see it because I got the glare back there, but let me get a close up here. So that's that. That's the new part. And there's this one back there. No more moving, so that's good. Yeah, we'll stop the video here. So here's the old part. You can see the rubber is done right there. There are some numbers here. Can't really read anything, but yeah, this was done. Actually, it was done from the top, so you wouldn't see from the bottom there. You can barely see the rip. Go to the top and you can see it right there.